everyone, welcome back to jenhair channel. Alongside dry skin, one of the most annoying side effects of winter is static hair. So is there anything you can do as a part of hair care routine to help smooth down static in this season? Let's watching this video for our best tip on how to get static out of hair now. Static hair occurs when your hair builds up an electric charge, meaning it has gained some extra electron thanks to friction or change in humidity. It is generally being called by dry as is common with human hair. It is generally occur during in the winter or in Africa. So we want to show you some solution how to remove static from hair.
You may find that harsh winter weather can strip your hair of its moisture and leave it feeling dry. If this is the case, try using a shampoo that contains collagen and keratin. For hair that's severely dry and coarse, you can use Gerita Collagen Super Revive Spray and Gerita Hair Oil Serum can be helpful for bringing it back to life and minimizing static. Plastic brushes tend to generate more static electricity, so they're more likely to have your hair standing on edge. If you can, swap your plastic brush out for a wood or natural bristle one to reduce static. Another way to decrease the chance of static hair is something you can do straight out of the shower. Let your hair dry naturally. However, if you're short on time, opt for an ionic hair dryer versus a regular hair dryer. This styling tool is incredibly useful and will not only dry your hair faster and cause less damage, but the negative ions from the dryer will neutralize the positive ions, which is how to get rid of the static hair.